Welcome back. Here we are a year later. A year later with the 40 volt, 20 inch battery operated Ryobi lawnmower. It's been a year. I've used it quite a bit. We actually took it up to my daughter's new home. They didn't have a lawnmower. And another great thing about this, you throw it in the car. You can throw it in the car. No smell, no mess, no fuss, and everything works perfectly. Okay, so the Ryobi 40 inch battery operated 40 volt, 20 inch, and I have it on the second lowest cut. It says it's 1.5 inches, but it's probably about 3 inches. But with the rear wheel being bigger than the front, easy to push. The whole thing weighs maybe 35 pounds, 10 or 15 kilos, whatever. And we're gonna just go down, do the edges again, and come back and show you the results. I haven't sharpened the blade since I bought it, and I hadn't hit any stones or twigs or anything. So let's go see how the battery's charging. And I think it's almost up there. Well, it's good enough. It's 3 or 4 bars. There you go, 3 or 4 bars. So that's pretty good. So let's get back and put it into the lawnmower. So here we are, we've got the battery in there, and it does have a capacity to hold an extra battery. We just have the one battery in there because they're fairly expensive. So let's have a go. Okay, we're going to run it about there just to do the edge. Okay, and what we do is do it any way you want, but you can do like this. It's kind of hard with one hand, but start it up and let's go. It's very quiet. I was cutting the grass the other week, trimming. My son was up with the grandkids, and they commented on how quiet this was. Oh, we got a twig. Get rid of the twig. There we go. There you go, away we go again. We'll only come about halfway down here because the grass doesn't grow evenly. We haven't had much rain up here, so as you can see as we're going back, it cuts pretty good. There we go. So what's it done? It's done a nice job on the edge. Cuts pretty evenly. I don't have to do much trimming. I'm getting a little bit of weeds flowing into the driveway. I'll do some edging later. I think next year we'll probably get it paved, but right now, not bad. And I mean, this thing has done wonders. It's great for trimming, and it just works. It's a beautiful thing. Here it is, the 20 inch brushless Ryobi 40 volt. Can't say anything bad about it. Held up pretty good, no problems, folds up, stores really well. It's a great little toy. It's a great little tool. And when we're all done, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. Ryobi lawn care equipment. Not bad at all. Stuff I've had for years. I've had the string trimmer for about 5 or 6 years. I had the lawnmower for over a year. And the tractor was last year. But yeah, at least everything's green, right? So, that's good for another week. And when it grows again, I'll cut it again. Ryobi, 20-inch, 40-volt, brushless lawnmower. Does a great job. Trimming, if you've got a small enough lot, does a great job. As I said, I took it up to my daughter's place the other day, and they've got a 75 by 100 lot. Did that, no problem at all, with only about 50% of the battery. So, there you go. What are we going to do next? Stay tuned.